Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking you on an exclusive modern home design tour packed with stunning ideas for every room, from sleek living spaces to dreamy bedrooms, stylish kitchens, and serene bathrooms. Whether you're looking to renovate, decorate, or just get inspired, this tour has something for everyone who loves contemporary style and smart design. So, grab a seat and let's dive into the most beautiful, functional, and trend-forward spaces you'll want to recreate in your own home. Modern home design is a reflection of evolving lifestyles, innovations in architecture, and the desire to harmonize aesthetics with functionality. As we move further into the 21st century, modern homes are becoming more personalized, sustainable, and tech-savvy. This comprehensive tour of modern home design takes you room by room, offering stunning ideas that elevate each space in terms of both style and purpose. 1. The living room, a hub of comfort and style. The living room is often the centerpiece of a home. In modern design, this space merges comfort, technology, and minimalism. Design elements. Open layout. Create a seamless flow with adjacent spaces such as the kitchen or dining room. Neutral color palette. Use whites, grays, and beiges with pops of color and accessories. Multifunctional furniture. Opt for pieces like sectional sofas with storage or ottomans that double as coffee tables. Technology integration includes smart lighting, concealed wiring for entertainment systems, and automated shades. Art and texture. Incorporate large modern art pieces, textured rugs, and natural materials like wood and stone. 2. The kitchen, sleek, functional, and social. Modern kitchens are designed not just for cooking but also for socializing and showcasing design. Design elements. Streamlined cabinetry, handleless designs, and glossy finishes create a clean look. Smart appliances. Energy-efficient refrigerators, ovens, and dishwashers with Wi-Fi connectivity. Open shelving. Replace upper cabinets with open shelves for a more airy feel. Kitchen islands. Serve as prep areas, dining spots, and storage hubs. Statement lighting. Pendant lights over islands or under-cabinet lighting to enhance ambience. 3. The dining room. Elegant and inviting. Modern dining rooms blend formality with a relaxed atmosphere suitable for everyday use. Design elements. Minimalist tables, sleek wood or glass top tables with clean lines. Mix and match chairs. Combine different chair styles or colors for a curated look. Accent walls. Use wallpaper, wood paneling, or bold paint colors. Decor. Use sculptural centerpieces, mirrors, and soft lighting to enhance ambience. Open plan design. Connect the dining area with a kitchen or living room to encourage social flow. 4. The bedroom, a personal sanctuary. The modern bedroom is a retreat focused on tranquility and personal expression. Design elements. Platform beds, low profile, minimalist frames with hidden storage. Layered lighting. Combine ambient, task, and accent lighting. Statement headboards, upholstered or wood panel designs that anchor the room. Textiles. Mix natural materials like cotton, linen, and wool for bedding and curtains. Color themes. Soft pastels or monochrome palettes enhance a calming atmosphere. 5. The bathroom. Spa-like simplicity. Modern bathrooms are designed for relaxation and rejuvenation. Design elements. Floating vanities. Create visual space and are easy to clean under. Walk-in showers. Frameless glass designs with rainfall shower heads. Freestanding tubs. Sculptural and space-efficient options. Smart features. Heated floors, touchless faucets, and LED-lit mirrors. Natural elements. Stone tiles, wooden accents, and greenery add serenity. Home office has become essential in modern homes. Design elements. Ergonomic furniture. adjustable chairs and desks. Built-in storage, keep clutter out of sight with integrated cabinets. Good lighting, use natural light and task lighting for optimal productivity. Soundproofing, acoustic panels or heavy curtains to reduce noise. Aesthetic touches, inspiring artwork and a calming color scheme. 7. The entryway. First impressions matter. Your entryway sets the tone for your home. Design elements. Console tables, sleek tables with drawers for keys and essentials. Mirrors, visually enlarge the space and add light. Statement lighting, chandeliers or modern sconces. Functional decor, hooks, benches, and storage baskets. Coherent style, reflect the overall design aesthetic of the house. 8. The kids' room, creative and adaptable. Children's rooms in modern homes focus on flexibility and fun. Design elements, convertible furniture, cribs that become beds or desks that grow with the child. Interactive decor, chalkboard walls, indoor swings, or climbing areas. Smart storage, modular systems for toys, clothes, and books. Color, use calming hues with bright accents. Personalization, let kids choose themes or participate in the design process. 9. The guest room, comfort and convenience. Modern guest rooms are versatile spaces that balance style and hospitality. Design elements, neutral decor, appealing to a wide range of guests. Multi-use furniture, Murphy beds or sleeper sofas to maximize space. Amenities, provide chargers, Wi-Fi access, and toiletries. Closet space, a small wardrobe or hanging rack for convenience. Warm lighting, use soft lighting to create a cozy feel. 10. The outdoor space, nature meets design. Outdoor areas are now essential living spaces in modern homes. Design elements, outdoor kitchens, grills, sinks, and mini fridges built into patios. Lounge areas, comfortable seating with weather-resistant cushions. Landscaping, native plants, green walls, and minimalist paths. Lighting, solar-powered path lights and string lights for ambience. Sustainability, rainwater collection, and eco-friendly materials. Conclusion: a home that reflects you. Modern home design is about more than just style. It's about creating a space that reflects who you are and how you live. From open-concept living rooms to spa-inspired bathrooms and tech-savvy kitchens, each room offers an opportunity to enhance your lifestyle. With careful planning, thoughtful design, and a commitment to quality, every room in your home can be a showcase of modern living. Incorporating these stunning ideas will not only improve the look of your home, but also its functionality, sustainability, and overall livability. Whether you're renovating or starting from scratch, let this tour inspire your journey into the world of modern home design.